Have you ever filed a claim that was so underpaid you couldn't do the work? Why do you have insurance? And that's what we're gonna talk about on today's Denial of the Day. Mary writes in, stay away from this insurance company. The deductibles are high and the coverage is low. It's a terrible combination. They lowball the replacement value of my home. Whenever I try to call and get it straightened out, they tell me, oh, we're gonna look into it, and then I never hear from them again. I filed a claim because I had significant damage due to a severe storm. They underestimated everything and did not want to pay for practically anything. I'm currently shopping for insurance now because I cannot wait to get away from them. There is a principle, one of the two tenets of insurance, which is indemnification, meaning you as the insured need to be made as good or better than before the loss, depending on your policy, but you should not be losing money because of the loss. If you run into a situation where the insurance company is not paying a claim fairly, get us involved sooner than later. The sooner you get us involved, the more options we have. So if you feel like you're getting underpaid or diminished payment on your claim, you're getting denied or it's being delayed, contact us as soon as possible, bellatorclaims.com.